Hi, I am Teacher Paul. Today we are talking about colors. Are you ready? Let's go. What color is it? It is gray. What color is it? It is pink. What color is it? It is black. What color is it? It is white. What color is it? It is brown. What color is it? It is purple. What color is it? It is orange. What color is it? It is yellow. What color is it? It is red. What color is it? It is green. Now it is your turn to practice. Click the link below. Goodbye.